Welcome back to my channel. This is Coin Code. I am DMO. For the past 1 month now, you will notice that I talked on a platform where you can trade arbitrage without any bank card. And on this video, I'm going to show you the strategy I used in making money on this platform. And from the last 2 months I made the first video on this platform, I have been able to maximize over $2,000 in arbitrage trading from this platform alone. And I am going to show you the strategy I used in making this $2,000 from this platform alone. So make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any part of this video. So now, before I proceed, please use 2 seconds of your time to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative and educative content like this. Meanwhile, you can join our Telegram community to get quick updates and engage with new members. So now let's move. Now, from the title of this video, I believe you already understand the name of this platform, which is Now to Trade. All you just got to do is to make sure you register with the link on the video description below, and all you just need to do is to register either with your email and your phone number, you understand. Then you put a password at which you can remember, then you tickle these 2 boxes, you understand. Then you click on sign up, or if you already have an account, you just got to go to the login section, then you click on login, you understand. Then it will take you to this section where it will display your balance, then your active transactions. And I believe you already understand this platform, but before I show you the strategy on how I made over $2,000, I need to explain this platform to all the new users. You need to know that Now to Trade is a well-developed system, and you don't need to worry about your funds because they are safe and secure. And Now to Trade have been in existence for over 9 months now before even making the first video about them, and their support system is very active, from their live support to their Telegram channel. So you just got to join with the link below. So on that note, when you have any issue, you just got to click on this top left corner, then click on support. It will take you to the support system whereby a live chat will be held with you from the support team. And on that note, for you to do anything on this platform, you need to deposit first. So you just got to click on this wallet icon below. You click on it. Now on this section, you will see your wallet in various currencies, you understand. You can see the first one, which is Bitcoin, and this Bitcoin is the official one that Now to Trade uses for transaction and trading. And the second one is Dogecoin, then Litecoin and Ethereum, you understand. So all you just need to do is to click on either of the deposit of Bitcoin, or the deposit of Doge, or the deposit of Litecoin. But I recommend you deposit through Dogecoin so that it will be easy for you to cover the charges. So now you just got to click on this deposit icon on Doge, then you copy it, then go to any of your exchange at all, then send Doge to this account. Now when depositing Dogecoin, you need to know that there is no minimum deposit, you understand. That means you can roll over. You can deposit 50 Doge at the first, and also you can deposit another 50 Doge to make it 100, you understand. But the minimum trade you can make is 0.001 BTC, which worth approximately $37 currently now. Now after you have successfully deposit your account, the next thing to do is to place trade. When you want to place trade, you just got to click on these center buttons, you understand. Then it will take you to this trading section. Now on this section, you have to select the exchange pair at which you want to trade with, you understand. So you just got to wait for some minutes or some seconds, then the exchange will change automatically. And also the currency difference, which is the profit, will also change. And also take a note on their tax, the arbitrage profits, you understand. And after you have taken note of all the information, you just got to impute the amount, either 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100% of your capital, you understand. Then you click on start. Now while trading on this platform, you can trade multiple times, which means it is unlimited. What I meant is that you can trade 25% of your capital, you understand, or 50% of your capital at the same time. Let me say I have $1,000 Bitcoin now, so I can trade 25% of my capital, you understand. And also again, while my trade is running, I can also trade another 25% again, you understand. For 4 times, that means I'll be having 4 trades running. So now I'm going to trade with 50% of my capitals, you understand. So I just got to wait for good entry. And while waiting for other exchange pairs, you need to take note of this currency difference, because this currency difference will also determine your profit, you understand. In terms of, if you trade 1 BTC, you are going to get $136 as profit, you understand. So you need to note the amount at which you want to trade with. That is why I said the higher the capital you use to trade arbitrage, the more profit you will get. So now let me say if I want to use 50% of my balance, you understand. So I just got to put it on 50%, then click on start, then wait for it to load up. And automatically you will see that a trade is open, you understand. So by the time you click on these 3 dots, you will see the trade information. So you just got to click on confirm. And as this trade is open, you can also deposit and also place another trade, you understand. Now, when you want to withdraw after you have made profit from your trade, you just got to come to this wallet tab, you understand? Then when you click on wallet tab, you can see that it's only through Bitcoin you can withdraw, you understand? So you click on withdraw on the Bitcoin tab. And after that, it will take you to this section whereby you have to input your wallet address, then put the amount you want to withdraw, then you click on next. And remember, on my previous videos, I've always made a live withdrawal proof of this platform. So for you to withdraw, you just got to put your wallet, you understand? Remember, for you to put your wallet, you got to click on this plus sign. Then when you click on plus sign, you put your wallet label and your wallet address, you understand? So on that note, you just got to click on this box, then put your address. Then also you put the amount at which you want to withdraw. Let me say I want to withdraw 0.006, which is approximately $250. Then you take note of the fee and also the average transaction time, which means the time at which the coin will reflect on your wallet. So on that note, you just got to click on next, you understand? Then this section is for you to confirm your address. Make sure that everything is correct, you understand? Then you click on start transaction, then wait for it to load up. Now, as you can see, the withdrawal was successful and my balance have been divided into two, you understand? So I just got to use this remaining balance to trade. So I'll just go back to the trading section. So I will just put it on 100%, you understand? Then click on start. And now, as you can see, I've placed the second trade, you understand? Now the two trades are running, and also I placed a withdrawal of $250. Now the profit here is very small, but you need to know that consistency is the key. So you need to be consistent with this platform. Now moving to the strategy I use in making over $2,000 on this platform. Now the first strategy is by affiliate marketing, you understand? So by the time you come to your reference section, when you click on it, you will see your affiliate earnings and your affiliate transaction histories. And as you can see, I've earned over 0.0131408 BTC, which worth approximately $485, even despite the downfall of Bitcoin. And remember, affiliate earnings are just like free money, you understand? So you just got to copy your referral link by clicking on this button, you understand? Then you share your referral code with your friends and loved ones. And also share this video alongside so that they will understand what they are dealing on. Now, even at the moment of making this video, you can see that my balance was 0.0000, but now I've earned some fractions of Bitcoin, and I believe it is from affiliate marketing alone, you understand? Or after you copy your referral link, you just got to come to this website, Quora.com, you understand? Then you do research on how to use this website, whereby you'll be answering questions, you understand? Like the best investment platform, you understand? Then trade arbitrage without card, you understand? Stuff like that. You can just fix some kind of documentation and some kind of presentation and answer some people's questions. Then you embed your referral link on it, so that when they register and use now to trade, you will get percent from them. And make sure you understand that platform before using it, you understand? And also, you can also go through some Telegram groups, then tell them about the platform, then give them your referral link, and also you earn percentage from their trading. Now, the other strategy I use to make over $2,000 is being consistent on this platform, you understand? Now, by the time you deposit like $1,000 on this platform, then you start trading, you'll be seeing that you'll be making some profit, you understand? Like $5, $10, just like within the range of $5 to $10 from that $1,000. So now, because you are consistent on this platform, the moment 4 hours elapse, which is one trade has been executed successfully, you just got to come back to this platform again. Then you make another trade, you understand? And the next strategy I will tell you is that when you are consistent on this platform and you are trading, then you'll be making like $10 every day, approximately. So now for like 10 days or for like 1 week, you'll be making something more than $100. All I would just say is that you just make a withdrawal, you understand? So that you'll be looking for a way to withdraw out your capitals. Then your profits will not be the one you use to trade, you understand? So now, with that being said, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for your compliment and your questions. And also join our Telegram community to get quick updates and engage with new members, which all the link will be placed on the video description below. As this will be it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.